Let's talk about the brain of your AI agent, not the kind you find in science class. This brain is made of code, data, and some seriously smart algorithms. If your AI agent was a person, its personality comes from you. Its hands and tools helps it do things. But its brain, it's powered by something called an LLM or a large language model. Sounds complicated? Don't worry. We'll break it down so it's easier than building a Lego set. An LLM is basically a super smart computer program that's been trained to understand and generate human language. Think of it like this. It reads millions of books, websites, conversations, and notes. It's learned patterns, how we speak, how we write, and how we connect ideas. So now, when you talk to it, it can respond in a way that sounds natural, helpful, and even creative. It's like having a friend who has read every book in the library and remembers almost everything. There are different kinds of AI brains made by different companies. The big ones are GPT-5, made by OpenAI. It's amazing at understanding questions, explaining concepts, writing stories, and even coding. It's like a friend who's good at everything. Claude, made by Anthropic. Super safe, polite, and great for brainstorming ideas or summarizing info. It's like the classmate who always has organized notes. Gemini, made by Google. Fantastic at pulling in facts, mixing them with creativity, and even working with images. It's like a smart researcher who also knows how to design. You can choose which brain your AI agent uses depending on what it needs to do. Okay, without getting too nerdy, here is the simple version. You give the LLM some words, your question or your task. It looks at everything it's learned before. It predicts the best possible next word and gives you the answer. It keeps going until the answer is complete. It's like when you play Guess the Next Word with your friends, except the LLM is insanely good at it and it can keep guessing for whole paragraphs in perfect grammar. Here's the magic. When you give an LLM to ability to use tools, access memory, and act on your instructions, it stops just being a chatbot and becomes a thinking engine for your AI agent. For example, without a brain, your agent can only follow fixed rules like a vending machine. With an LLM brain, it can figure out the best way to solve a problem, even if it's never seen that exact problem before. It's like the difference between a toy robot that repeats pre-recorded phrases and a robot that actually understands what you say. Let's see how different brains might handle the same request. You say, write me a rap about pizza in style of Eminem. ChatGPT-5 gives you clever rhymes and wordplay. Claude makes sure the rap is fun, polite, and easy to share at school. Gemini might then add an image of dancing pizza to go with the rap. Or you help me design a game level? To GPT-5, it'll suggest storylines and mechanics. Claude, it'll help structure the rules so the game is balanced. Gemini, it will find reference art and inspiration for the level design. In this module, we'll try out different LLMs and see how each brain has its own style. Learn how to pick the right one for your AI agent's job. Build your first brain test agents that you can ask anything from homework questions to gain tips. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your AI agent the smartest brain. So remember, the LLM is a thinking engine of your AI agent. It's what turns up your ideas into answers, plans, and even actions. Next up, we're going to look at another vital part, memory. How your AI agent remembers past info so it can get better over time. Let's keep building our AI superhero.